Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely ribbon bow. For this bow I'm using a pair of scissors, a pipe cleaner, and I've got this lovely 2.5 inch wide wire edged ribbon with a poinsettia design. It's really pretty, and I've cut off a section that is 12 feet long. I have a 4 foot wide table, so I just measure 3 lengths of the table. Okay, so I'm just going to fold over a small loop here, and because this ribbon has a definite right side and a wrong side, there is a particular technique that we need to use. Okay, so I've folded that over and fold over the next loop here and bring it to the center. And at this point we need to turn the ribbon over, because if I carried on in this way, you see that we've now got the wrong side for our loops. So what we need to do is turn it over, and you do that just by pinching together at the center. Okay, just pinch it together, hold it over and turn the ribbon over at the center. Okay, so you'll need to see when we make our next loop, the flowers are the right way round. Okay, so this part of the loop always wants to have the right side facing downwards. Okay, we want to make a loop that is just about a finger bigger than the one below, and then we bring that to the center. And again, you'll see if we were to carry on, we'd have our the wrong side on our loops, so we need to scrunch that together at the center, turn the ribbon over, and now we can make our loop that is just about a finger wider, bigger than the one below. And if you're wondering whether you've gone wrong at all, you just need to check underneath and you'll see that you've got all the right sides there. So each time we're making a loop, we're making it just about a finger bigger than the one below. And then depending on how full you want your bow to be and how long you want your tails to be, you may want to make one last loop. Bringing this back to the center, and I'm just going to cut off to the right of the center here. And we're going to save this piece for the tails. Okay, so we can scrunch everything together, take our pipe cleaner, and we want to twist everything together really firmly. Secure that pipe cleaner and twist it around. And then with this piece, just fold the ends over, and we can dovetail those ends just by snipping across and finishing that off really nicely. So find the center with a piece of ribbon and then just scrunch it together here. And then we can attach that in the back here and just twist that pipe cleaner around it so it's nice and tight. Okay, so don't cut away your pipe cleaner ends, because you can use those to attach the ribbon to your wreath or your tree. And then we just need to arrange these loops. So we just pull those out, open out each loop. I like to get hold of 2 loops and kind of pull them out in opposite directions.